Chinese medicine treatment of cough variant asthma. Clinically, there is a relatively stubborn cough, which is cough variant asthma. It is a special type of asthma, mainly manifested as irritating cough, which is more severe, especially at night or early morning. Many patients cough with itchy throat. This cough is often induced and aggravated by irritating odors such as paint, gasoline, perfume, pollen, etc., or cold air. Without active treatment of this disease, about 30% to 40% of patients can develop typical asthma. Chinese medicine believes that there are many reasons for cough variant asthma, such as wind and cold in nature, summer dampness, dry fire, or frequent anger, bad mood, etc. are all triggers of cough variant asthma. Clinically, according to the condition of each patient, we find out the cause and carry out dialectical treatment to distinguish between cold and heat, deficiency and excess, and take corresponding measures in a targeted manner, and prescribe different prescriptions. Some people need to get rid of external evils, and some people need to regulate the functions of internal organs. I have treated many patients like this with good results. Therefore, if you suffer from cough variant asthma, you must consult a professional doctor. The doctor will judge your constitution and what causes the cough, and then treat it symptomatically. I am Dr. Ko Wei. Hope to help you.